Welcome back to the channel. My name's Adil and today, yes, we have in front of me an Audi R8 that is absolutely flashing. So what we've got here is our flashing light combination. We've got underglow, we've got flashing lights throughout the whole vehicle and engine bay lights, which I'm going to walk you through in today's video. But before we do, I just want to talk to you about the owner of this car. He has just launched a brand new product called Drift Mist. Basically, it's an air freshener for luxury vehicles. They look absolutely incredible and they've got some amazing scents. I mean, I've been using this myself and honestly, it smells amazing and I'm really happy with like the design of it. It sits really nicely in my car. So I'll put a little link in the description below. If you do want to buy one of these cool air fresheners owned by the owner of this Audi R8, make sure you go check it out, guys. It would be a massive help to his new business and new venture. Plus they smell really good and look really nice too. But that's a little bit of a shout out for Drift Mist. But overall, in terms of what we've got in terms of this combination here, I'll start off with the underglow. This is actually app control, so you can change the lighting colors if you want it all a constant light or you want like a little flash pattern that we've got going on currently. Then over to our flashing light kit, and we've done this on plenty of cars, R8, supercars, Lambos, you name it, we've pretty much done it on. It's a really cool little upgrade. Basically, the whole idea of it is there's a little switch inside the vehicle you can turn the kit on with, and that's on a permanent feed, so you can have it like now with the vehicle off. The lighting situation that we've got going on, we designed the flash pattern to suit with the vehicle, and that's covering across the front of the vehicle, actually in the side vents on either side as well, then over to the back. What we've also done is a little bit of green constant light over the engine bay. It really sets off that engine and it looks absolutely incredible, and it's all controlled via two little switches, and like here you can have it on when driving or when the engine's on, or also here as it is when the vehicle is off and parked up. So it draws a lot of attention, like what this owner of this car, he's got a new product called Drift Mist and he wants to bring attention to that car at shows and events, and this is a really cool way of doing it. So hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. If you're after something like this on your vehicle, you know exactly what to do. All of our details is in the description below and the link to Drift Mist, so you can get your hands on that cool product as the luxury air freshener for your vehicle is also in the description below. But thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.